Hello everyone, Justin Simmons, DKC Realty. Thank you for joining us today. Truly appreciate it. This is episode 8 in the How to Buy a Home series. I'm gonna run out of fingers soon for this. It is the day of the inspection. So I got some tips for you when we're on our actual inspection for the home that we're purchasing. First tip, come to the inspection, okay? It's important. It can take a few hours, so you wanna budget the time accordingly. But if you were there at the initial showing, if you're one of the decision makers, please, you definitely want to come to the inspection, see the inspector in action, and see what items might come up while they're checking the home and making sure that it's safe for you and your family. Second tip, ask questions. You may never have bought a home before, and even if you did, doesn't mean you're a home expert. I got a car, I don't know all the stuff about the car. Trust and believe. So, same thing here. Now, the inspector might answer questions as they're doing the inspection. They might answer them after they're done with the inspection. See what works best for you and the inspector, what the best match is there. But even if it's, hey, let's talk once I review everything, I want to give you a full detailed summary, that's great. You can still write your questions down in the meantime. Maybe you brought that checklist with you back from when you first saw the home, so you know what the major items are you had questions about in the beginning and can add to them as the inspection is happening. But you don't know, ask. That's why they're here. They're here for you. In addition to asking questions about things you don't understand, tip 3 is asking questions to make sure that there are no major health or safety or structural issues in the house. And if they are, you want to know which ones they are. So ask the inspector. Now they're going to give you a detailed report. We'll talk more about that later, which will cover those items. But you got them here live now. So you can do more interaction with them face to face and see what ideas they have. Maybe they have certain recommendations. Maybe they have to refer you to another professional service provider to get those items addressed. But ask about them now. See what the major problems are, because those are the ones you want to focus your energy on when it comes to dealing with the seller and asking for either price reduction or for items to be addressed. Tip 4, give a copy of the report to your real estate professional. Now, you don't have to give it to us, but please tell the inspector to send us a copy right when they're sending you one. We want to review it as well. See if there's any issues that we notice. Our eyes are a little more trained. We go over a lot of inspection reports, so we might pick up on some things that may have been missed. We may have picked up on something that you noted was an issue previously, but now we're seeing it in the inspection report, so we want to review that with you. And we can help resolve issues that might come up because of a safety or health condition later on when the appraisal actually happens. So we can try and get those items addressed now so that they don't become an issue later on. So ask your inspector, please send a copy of the report to my real estate professional as well. Okay, last tip, number 5. This is a tough one for some folks. This is not pass or fail, right? All houses have issues. You paid your inspector to find them. So ideally, they find almost all of them. So you're gonna have a long report. But remember, it's not pass or fail. So there might be some deal breaker items you have. Great. Are those the items we can get the seller to address? Then let's do that. This is a tool for renegotiation. We didn't know a lot of these things we know after the inspection, before when we were viewing the house initially. So now we have more information, and we want to use that information to our advantage. At the very least, we want it to give us peace of mind as we're moving forward with the purchase. So, not pass or fail, right? Take the information, review it. We'll review it with you as well. We're checking with the inspector. Maybe there's other professionals we want to get involved down the line. But for now, let's take a breath, go over the information we have, and see how best we can move forward from here. That's the key thing. Okay, we completed our inspection. We've been at the house a few hours. The inspector's done their work, checked everything out for us. Now they're going to be sending us the report. So we will be talking about the inspection report and negotiating for items that we want next week. That's going to be episode 9. In the meantime, hey, more videos popping up over there. More videos popping up down below in the comments and descriptions. Check them out. The hashtag JSBXHomes. You know I'm all over the socials, so you can find me. And you can subscribe to this channel. 3 educational real estate videos every week. Icon is right there. All right? Thank you for joining us. Hope you're having a great day. And I look forward to talking to you more soon.